Hey folks, here's a video on if your washing machine is making a scraping noise, like there's something rubbing off metal, we'll say. The chance are you have something stuck in sometimes it's stuck in your pump, which is in the front here, but sometimes something can be stuck in either in the sump hose here or actually just in here where the hose connects to the drum. I think there's a bra wire stuck in this one. We're going to have a look there now and take it out if it is a bra wire. But yeah, so on this particular machine I need a Phillips head screwdriver, which I have here. I'm going to open this spring that's holding on the hose onto the drum. It seems like there's something rubbing off the drum, like the drum's rubbing off something, and I'm feeling something stuck in there. So sometimes on all different models of machines, there's different ways that these are held on. They could be held on with a Torx head, Phillips head, flathead screwdriver even sometimes a hex nut, sometimes just a spring clip. But this I need a Phillips head. So I'm going to just take off this, or loosen off this this spring here. Okay, so I'll keep going. Do our best and get it off. As you can see, it's loosening away there, mate. Okay, there we go, it's loose there now. Put this out, and look, there you go. There you have it. It's a bra wire, as I thought it would be, to be honest. Bra wire stuck in, up in here, and it's just in a shape that it doesn't go down into your pump, so it just sits here in your element. Really, just the element is just here. And just continuous rubbing of the drum off it. You probably can see scrape marks there on it, but yeah, that's the problem. So that's the problem. So you put back on your hose here again. Okay, you just put it back in and tighten up your spring again, your spring clip. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a like, and hopefully you might subscribe. I'd much appreciate that, as my channel is growing slowly but getting there. So yeah, these videos seem to be helpful for people, which is great, and hopefully you can help me out too. Thank you, have a good day, and thanks. Bye bye.